So this is Manjishtha Mud. It is a clarifying and deep cleansing face mask, and its two key ingredients are Manjishtha and Bioflavonoids. So Manjishtha is the ingredient that helps detoxify the skin, and Bioflavonoids are natural antioxidants that help you achieve an even skin tone. So once you're done cleansing, you apply a thick layer. Just avoid the eye area. So then you wait for about 15-20 minutes, but what you'll notice is that the mask is not going to dry up. So I think a lot of us are used to using masks that start cracking and they start drying up. This one's not going to do that. It's going to remain moist. So don't wait for it to dry up because that's not going to happen. So you keep it on for about 15-20 minutes and then wash it off. So my skin feels really cleansed. It doesn't feel like it's been stripped off and it feels really bright. Manjishtha Mud is a product that you can use almost 2 to 3 times a week. I would use it at least once a week. And and then you follow it up with a moisturiser or a serum, anything that helps hydrate the skin. And then of course, if it's in the day, you would follow it up with a sunscreen. I've used Turmeric Shield today. All of our products, including Manjishtha Mud, have been clinically tested.